Once upon a time, in a land full of chocolate hills and waterfalls, two foreigners sat on a porch discussing foreigner things, like who one's daughter should marry or how beautiful the clouds were in this part of the world. Oh, watcher of this video, make no mistake. Bohol is a wonderful world of colour, steep hills, deep valleys, and amazing people. But today, these two and their Filipino wives decided to step out into this world to places where they had never seen. To explore this island, to go where few tourists ever hear about. To all the foreigners out there, you do not want to do this unless you are very, very fit. That's the thing about the Philippines. There are many things. What captivating views turn each step into a story worth telling. This is their journey. Every morning, it's a walk down past the spring, walk the dogs. What a life. Here are my neighbours. Hello. Morning. It's a stunning area here. Today, I'm going to go and explore Mabini area, a lush area. Got some friends we're going to go with. It's going to be pretty awesome.
Got eye.
It's right around New Year's and we're going to go and explore. Let's see where we can go. I'm taking some foreigners with me. See what we're going to do. It's wet season here and this is Mabini Farm. Nestled in the breathtaking hills of Bohol, Organic Farm is an inspiring journey to become a certified organic farm. Achieving organic certification isn't easy. It involves meeting strict guidelines like nurturing the soil naturally and ensuring every crop is grown with care for the environment. Hey, Ricky and Lily own this farm.
Tulog pa sila? Adi, dili na. Aw. Asa man sila?
Welcome. Wow, this is just a lovely, lovely spot. So we're going to go with some foreigners. Now I know that's strange. I haven't gone with some foreigners before to anywhere. So this is Ricky and his wife Lilibeth. What's your favorite part about living here in the Philippines?
Okay, I think to explain the reason why we're here, I have to go back to the first visit to the Philippines more than 17 years ago. It was pristine. It was only farmers, there was no tourists, there was nothing like that. And I actually fell in love with the place. It's so beautiful, The Philippines in whole is very beautiful, but Matinao, where we are here, it's exceptionally beautiful place.
So this is Lilibeth, and I've got a question for Lilibeth. What do you miss most when you're away in Qatar and other places about living in the Philippines?
The food, of course, Filipino food and our Filipino culture and the fresh air, the greenery. Philippines is the best for me.
I've always believed that the best adventures are the ones full of surprises, and today is no exception. First up, a majestic waterfall, then Mabini's lakeside campsite, and finally the scenic panoramic park. First, a little car humour.
You've got to get Mimi in the videos because we're looking for a husband for her. Preferably a young Western guy with lots of money, or a South Korean guy that's a potential pop star or movie star.
Hi, Mimi.
Are you really that shy, are you?
Yeah, Mimi, that's shy.
No, she's not.
At least it's not raining today. When we were coming up, it was raining. Well, I've just made it really bad for us now. I said at least it's not raining for us.
Yeah.
Here we go. This is the hard part on the motorbike, so we'll see what happens here. This is awesome. I'm on the back of the truck. It's traveling. Lichon, hello. Hey, wait. What's he doing? I'm going. Leaving me behind.
Sorry, mate.
Pagdali, pas.
This is what,
Wala pa siya kay
look how steep this is.
Yeah, look, it's quite steep.
Be careful because the road here is so dirty.
Yeah, I'm very. Salamat.
Look at this guy. That's a challenge. Even going down the hill is challenging.
Yeah.
Tell you what, the Filipino driver's very skilled.
Oh, motorbikes, yeah, for sure.
I've been down this road before, and let me tell you, it's not for the faint heart. But this time, something's different. These roads have a reputation, and I know it firsthand. My first trip here on a motorbike was a test of nerves, slipping and sliding and fighting to stay upright. But today, with the car, it's almost too easy. Almost. An amazing view this is. It's just beautiful. Look out here. I think over there is Mabini. I think that's the whole area of Mabini. It's just a lovely, lovely spot. And over way in the distance, you can see Camigan Island. Oh look, they've got a real coffee machine. Look at this. There we go. This is a beautiful spot.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Hello, how are you? Good to see you.
Good.
We got a dog peeing on a motorbike. I am sorry, but it is funny.
Vlogger.
Hey, look at this.
Yep.
We've got real cappuccino over here going on. This is the road to Can-umantad Falls. Well, if you can call it a road. We're driving on 2 narrow concrete slivers, just wide enough for our tyres, and on either side, waterlogged rice paddies. One wrong turn and we'll be planting rice instead of enjoying the falls. Okay, we're going down a different way today. That's where we're going. The map says it's only 200 meters. Sounds like a casual stroll to me. Let's see how this plays out. So the rice terraces are being filled with water at the moment. Sometimes they actually fill these with tilapia as well. The rice terraces are the heart and soul of Bohol. Everything lives and breathes to rice. I'm sure they said an easy 200 meters. Could they be wrong? It's a little bit slippery here, but it's not too bad. When they said 200 meters, I think it was as the crow flies. You can hear the falls from here. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're pounding down. Standing at the base of Can-umantad Falls, the tallest in Bohol at 60 meters. I can't decide what is more breathtaking, the sheer power of the water or the fact that I made it here in one piece. The sound is deafening, the mist refreshing, and just when you think it can't get better, those picture-perfect rice paddies above remind you why this trek is totally worth it. Brace yourself for the ultimate tourist move, the slow-motion group wave. You know you love it. One thing I love about the Philippines, friendship here is all about balance. First, they help you across, and then they soak you for good measure. Pinoy humour at its finest.
Like that? Yeah, like that. Like that? Okay,
What are they doing?
wait.
Oh,
Hold on, I lost my photos. Right, okay now.
oh, look at that.
Right.
Our next destination is a bit of a mystery. I've only seen it on a shaky live video, but has made me really excited to visit this place. It's so pretty around here. I want to tell you about our next destination. First, we need to go on a motorbike back to the car. We need to walk there to get to the bikes. It's just starting to rain just a little bit. So that'll be slippery on the motorbike. It's quite a steep ride up. I'm going to try this on the back of the motorbike. This is always scary on the back of the motorbike. Wow! This is really steep. Travelling this slippery road is a challenge at the best of times, and I really am not a great passenger. I like to be in control, but this takes me out of my comfort zone. Well, we've managed to get up the top of the falls and now we're heading to Lakeside Campsite. So that'll be fun. You having fun, guys? Awesome. It's definitely the wet season here and they're just planting some rice over there and they harvest rice and they're planting immediately. And so they just dry the rice on the sides of the road. This is fresh rice. Fresh rice is so good. I'm really impressed with it. I'd never had it before I came to the Philippines. I didn't know what fresh rice was. Back to talking about our next destination. We are going to a place so hidden that even many locals don't know it is there. All I know is that it's green, it's stunning, and it has a lake so dark you might think it's hiding some prehistoric creature. Okay, maybe not, but the beauty of this spot will leave you speechless, or at least searching for your camera. This is just beautiful. Wow! Welcome to the campsite. There are some surprising places in the Philippines, and this is one of them. And this is so beautiful up here. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Enjoy.
Ciao. I made some friends up here and just enjoyed sitting with them and droning around. Seriously, I cannot get over the beauty of this spot. Ninda kaayo. Mabini Lake Campsite is a hidden treasure within Bohol's ecotourism focus, offering camping, boating, or just a chance to soak in the serenity by the lake. They say you can spot herons and kingfishers near the water. What really caught my attention? The eagles. So many eagles. Let's just say flying a drone there turns into a bit of an air show. A couple even seemed to think my drone was competition. It's a miracle that it didn't end up as their next meal. These guys were just enjoying singing, and I took a moment to rest and just be with them. It is the simple things that help us rest the most. With a sweet inland murmur, green pastoral landscape, where the verdant grass is one with the sea of leaves. But not for that, nor for the dreams they hold, do we return to our souls unshaken. Those mountains up there, that is Panoramic Park. And to go there has been a desire of mine for a little while now. So we are going to go there. A land of green and verdure, where skies meet earth so pure. The hills are bathed in morning green, a quiet, peaceful, endless shore. The green hills are alive with flowers that green their stems, and all the green beneath them as the mountains hold them high. Under the skies so full and free, the green hills speak of eternity. A quiet place for us to be. A mountain's peace. A mystery.
We're going to Panoramic Park, which is in Alicia, and I'm looking forward to this. This is pretty awesome. Look at this. Doesn't happen in Australia. This is a corn ice cream, so let's try it. Looks like a corn on the cob. Look at that. Oh, it's weird.
Turn left back there.
So what happened is we're traveling backwards because I was eating my corn thing, and we should have turned left here, and I wasn't concentrating.
When we left, obviously.
There we go, straight ahead. Hey Ricky, what's this?
Old man stuff.
Sword fight. Okay, here we go.
Got all these young ladies. Whack, come on, move. Come on, move. She's dangerous, by the way.
Oh, that's really steep. Are we going through the water?
Yes.
Here we go.
That is Panoramic Park. Just there.
Pagdali, pagdali.
And so this epic climb began.
We've just seen where we're going. It's quite steep here.
It was about this point that I suddenly realized that this was not a small, easy walk.
Capoico! So we're looking here. Just got to show you this view. Imagine this. But you don't have to imagine anymore. Look at that.
Oh my God, look.
Isn't this the most beautiful thing? And there's a cool breeze just cooling us down. It's wonderful.
There's no way can I make up there.
Well, this is halfway up. Our friend Ricky,
I don't know. Flaked out.
I think Ricky will go down from here, but we'll keep going.
Yeah.
Pretty heavy going. It's pretty steep.
Yeah.
And Ricky's doing really well. He's 72. Brilliant. He's like a 50-year-old, but, you know, amazing.
I don't want to push my luck.
I had completely underestimated how tough this walk would be. Every step feels like a challenge now.
We're going through knee-high grass at the moment. Just watching for snakes. There could be some pythons, but more likely to be Filipino cobra or king cobra, especially through this part. One of the reasons you have a stick. Can't really see how steep it is here, but it is steep. You can see by the sweat on my face. Oh wow. We're going to make it all the way up to the top there. It's a long walk.
as the landscape opens up below me and the views become more breathtaking, so does the effort needed to keep pushing upwards. The higher I go, the more stunning the panorama becomes. Yet the effort to get there grows more challenging with each peak. All of us are suffering from lack of fitness. This is getting steep, really steep here. I think this is more than a 45-degree angle. You wouldn't want to come down here in a hurry. To all the foreigners out there, you do not want to do this unless you are very, very fit. Really, really fit. That's the thing about the Philippines. There are many things that you got to be really fit for. There's the top. It's not far. It feels like it's forever. It's heavy going, and I've still got that much to go. It's not far now. I'm serious. This is a serious journey. When they say an hour, I think it's more like two just to get to the top. The quail. We're here. Ladies, we are here. And the view, I think it speaks for itself. Wow, it's amazing. Up here, it's hard to put into words just how incredible this view is. You can see the whole world in front of you, rolling hills, green valleys, and the vast horizon stretching as far as the eye can see. It's one of those moments where everything just feels still, like the land is holding its breath in awe. As we take in this view, it's hard not to feel small in the best possible way. There's something humbling about being here, seeing the world stretch out like this. It's the kind of beauty that makes you feel grateful to be alive, standing on this peak, surrounded by such untouched nature. We're heading back down now. So this grass here, they used to use that for the house roofing, and it's a very cool roof grass. Wow. I'm telling you, it's a lot easier to come down the hill than it is to go up the hill. Guess what, guys? It's raining in Carmen again. See that top of that hill there? The highest point there, way over in the distance, that's where we live, right up there. Never again. Somebody got halfway up and were too tired and have written in Visayan, never again. We're almost there. Almost there. As the sun sets into another unforgettable adventure, it's moments like these that remind me why I love this place so much.
Place I go to ease a weary soul.